morning, everyone. Look at these just amazing straight hairs. They have a nice touch. Anyway, so I'm about to get this stuff. So that's my fermented. So I have like a mini heater, and then there's like a little heat thingy. So currently like it's making noise. It's so bubbly. Basically this is just like super fermented coconut kefir. So I've been having it ferment for about a day or two. I actually don't even remember, but this is super good for probiotics. This is probably the best form of probiotics because it's homemade, it's fresh, it's super potent. The longer you allow it to ferment, the more probiotics and stronger it becomes, but also the bitter and nastier tasting it becomes. But since it is for health, I'm all for it. So yeah, anyway, I have a dentist appointment in like an hour. I haven't eaten breakfast yet. It is 10:31 and also late Happy New Year. I guess I never wished that, but I bought this super cute calendar. I literally was just like dead for basically this whole month until like I'm starting to get my life back together here from onwards. So I hope you all can relate. I just kind of, you know, fell asleep last year sometime and just woke up now. So now I may or may not be possibly finally ready to start my life. But yes, anyway, I think I have to go grocery shopping. I forgot, I didn't even see these. I forgot that I bought bananas. Okay, well I have a smoothie. I just like quickly make my concoction of a beverage for clear skin. It's like a powerhouse when it comes to nutrients. I'll show you. Okay, so, oh my gosh, this hair. So we're gonna start with a glass of water. Oh my God, we're gonna have our organic bamboo extract. This is rooted from stem leaf powder stuff. So this basically promotes collagen production. It's like a chalkiness to it, kind of. I just have a massive scoop, even though I think this is like more than enough, but yeah. So I think you're only supposed to have like one of these a day or something. But anyway, we're gonna put this in. Again, I'm not drinking any water, literally nothing. I just woke up. I slept in a lot. I wasn't feeling my best yesterday. Like I was kind of like emotional. I was too emotional. So I went to bed at like 8 p.m. and I just woke up. I slept a lot. So I hibernated, in other words. I'm gonna take some MSM powder. So that's really good for silica. This is also like kind of a like sulfur. So silica and sulfur are like super good for the skin, for acne, just for overall glowiness, radiance, and youthfulness, I guess. And then there's a little bit of Karen Phytoplankton, and this is good for just omega-3s. And this is actually probably really good for on an empty stomach. That's probably way too much, I don't know. Anyway, but only my subscribers get this deal where you get the full EPA, DHA, and ALA range of omega-3s. Again, glowy, amazing, super good looking skin. Look at this beautifulness. Anyway, I just gotta mix this up. Yeah, omega-3 is super important for that glow and acne, of course. You don't want a higher omega-6 ratio. Omega-6 is actually pretty inflammatory. So that's why it's really good to make sure the omega-3 to omega-6 ratio is healthy. And then yeah, and then these other ones are just, oh my God. These other, oh my God. So all these supplements are literally just for, yeah, the most glowiest of skins, and then it actually makes you less hungry throughout the day. On top, it's good for weight management because you're getting the nutrients that your body needs, and the reason why your body craves so much food all the time is because you're not getting the nutrients that it craves and needs. So it's like a continuous cycle of just being hungry all the time, and it never satisfies. Because yes, all calories ingested are not the same. Where you get your calories is the most important thing of human life. Oh my gosh, this is like so warm. Okay, let's hear the sizzle. Oh, or not. I don't know, is this too warm? Did I destroy this? I don't know, I may have heated this up too much. Okay, well, I'm gonna keep it tuned with you if this, if I've killed the bacteria or not, so I might have to make a new batch. Anyway, I should probably bathe. That'd be a very good idea, I think. Choice of decisions as of now. But yeah, anyway, so I'm gonna try to get this probiotic thing solved, and yes, I have to also clean. Just got out of the shower. I'm gonna be calling an Uber to go to my dental appointment. I don't know why I'm telling you this, but I'm eating 2 mandarin oranges, and then I'm gonna try and go grocery shopping after. I'm feeling kind of lightheaded, so yeah, I have to literally like go right now. So yeah, I'll eat 2 of these and then I'll have a banana. So yes, I'll keep you updated what I eat when I get back. Oh, hi, I just came back from the dentist. I am just so numb right now. I am just dying. Anyway, I can literally barely move my mouth, but anyway, they're running behind schedule, so it's 2 p.m. right now and I have like never eaten anything except those things I showed you. Outfit of the day. T-shirt and jeans as usual. So, and I don't know what I should make. I just don't feel like cooking anything at all or doing anything today. I really want to go for a walk though, so I might take you on my journey. I'm just dying. My lips are dry. I'm just a mess. Okay, anyway, my mouth is just so numb. I don't even know if I can eat anything right now. I'm so lazy. Ooh, an avocado. Just, oh my god, I'm so happy. I have an avocado. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I should make sushi. Literally cannot wait for this to cool down. Unfortunately, I cannot make my seaweed things because this is way too hot, but I'm just gonna have the bowl of rice with this avocado. I'm just gonna eat it like that because I'm just starving. I'm dying. Anyway, I may or may not be over exaggerating. I don't think so because I'm just so hungry. So yeah, and I'm just so numb and I want to go for a walk because it's so beautiful and apparently it's supposed to like rain tomorrow, so I just want to get some sunshine in. Hopefully this is okay. Phew. The moment of truth when you do not know if it's gonna be a good avocado or not. Okay, I really have to clean my apartment too. I've been neglecting to clean my apartment for like a month. I went to visit family and I left it pretty clean, but then as soon as I came back, it's just boom, explosions everywhere because I just cannot keep up with myself and clean like a normal, responsible adult. So, oh my god, there we go. Probably gonna put more avocado in there, but I'll take a picture of it for presentation purposes. Oh my god, and for thumbnail purposes, probably. Very interesting. I can barely chew. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I have a problem. I can barely taste and I can barely chew. So we're just gonna get this down and then I can go on a nice nature walk because I've just been at the dentist all day apparently. We're done. I'm gonna go for a beautiful walk now and enjoy the scenery. So yeah, anyway, peace out. I'm going to get some fresh air. I feel like I've just not been active or doing much of anything really. This is so hard to open, but I'm trying to open this like kefir stuff. Oh my god. Dude, I literally can't open this. Did I spoil it? Like, I don't know what's going on here. It smells fine, but like also at the same time, I'm questioning everything. So I don't know. I'm gonna do a cup, you know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna drink some. Kind of tastes spoiled. Yeah, I think I messed it up. Oh my god. No! Dude, I'm gonna have to make a whole nother batch. I think it was too hot. Like, it was way too warm. It doesn't feel right, you know? It doesn't taste right either. It kind of tastes a bit like sour, but like not in the good way. No, well anyway, if that turned out good, then I would have done that. So make sure you take your probiotics. I'm just gonna have to be accepting this failure and just make new stuff. So this is very embarrassing, but can't do anything about it now. So I'm gonna make some rice wraps.
Round and round we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days trying to find a place, a place where you'll make them just be alone, be alone. All those nights lying by your side.
Gosh, I just look so tired. I just cannot. Oh my goodness. Anyway, this is a very lovely creation of a sauce. So good. Oh my gosh, I put so much hot chili powder in there. I'm gonna make so much mistakes. Neighbors think I'm crazy, but they don't understand. You're all I have. You're all I have. At night when the stars light up my room, I sit by myself, talking to the moon, trying to get to you.
hopes you're on the other side, talking to me too, or am I just a fool who sits alone and talking to the moon?